Come on, guys, let's just go put these in my room.
Michelle Pryor, she's a teacher. She's about to finish a PhD and hopefully begin a career as a principal.
She loves being by the water. She's a scuba diver.
Yeah.
Can you imagine having a scuba diving principal?
Be a pretty cool principal.
The ideal home would be a nice size living space.
We have a big family to where if family comes over, nobody's squished on top of one another.
She wants a master suite.
She does, with a bathtub.
My budget is around $170.
This is the Dubose House, but Celia and Beauregard Dubose bought the house in 1898. He was a postmaster here, and then he ended up running and winning a county supervisor seat.
cool.
The house is 2,300 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, so it's a little bit bigger. And they've got it listed for 95 grand.
I actually like the look of that house. I love the roof. I like the front porch. I think it has a lot of character.
Well, I'm glad you love the way it looks outside because I honestly wouldn't want to change a whole lot.
Oh, that is so cute.
Do you love it?
Yes.
High ceiling.
Oh, I do like that.
Yeah, so a formal living room, or y'all could use it as a den.
And here we would just do a touch-up on the fireplace, some paint, new light fixtures. The hardwood floors are gorgeous. They just need a little refinishing. It's sort of a mashup of decades.
How about this floor?
No.
No.
Maybe not for Michelle.
I actually like the height of the ceiling. I don't like the tiles or the textures.
Yeah. It's a little bit cramped.
Squeeze in, let's all gather around the table here.
Why is there a table in here?
Way too close to the stove.
It is
Very
really
weird.
close.
Oh, you want some cream corn? There you go.
Put a spoon.
Yeah.
The awkwardly placed sink.
It's not even that it's not centered on the windows, it's that it's not centered on anything.
It's strange. Paint, new light fixture. We would want to open a door up in this bedroom to go to the closet. We'll explain in the bathroom. The longest bathroom in the world, I think.
It's a galley bath.
Yeah. I don't think a galley bath is it. It was once a porch.
Yeah.
Well, that
okay.
explains it. This definitely looks like a screened-in back porch.
So this one with a listing price of 95 grand, everything we're talking about doing comes in at 71. So you would be all in at 166,000. So still
Under budget.
Still under
budget.
Yeah.
Budget.
Yeah.
the Parsley House. Parsley House because Cynthia and Herbert Parsley moved here around 1970. They actually lived here until recently. The house was actually built in 1940. It's a little over 1,800 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's listed for $92,000.
I'm not so sure about the house.
But you know what it could be? What do you think?
Oh, my goodness. That is beautiful.
Yeah. So if we painted all of that spotted brick like a charcoal navy color and then bright, crisp white on the windows, keep your front door because it's a great front door. It's solid wood. We could paint it and new columns that aren't so fluted and ornamental.
I do like that.
I like
Yeah.
that
That's very
a lot.
Oh, what is the smell?
It's like vacancy and animals maybe have taken over for a while.
Around the vent, there's a little raisins.
That's not raisins. Don't worry about that though, because it's not there forever. I'll walk you through how we can fix it all. We want to paint all the walls, want to remove all this inexpensive laminate flooring. It's bubbling up, it's rippling. So hopefully under these floors, you've got gorgeous hardwoods. We need a handrail here, right? We would want to get rid of all the carpet.
That's terrible. That's
Yeah.
probably the snake.
There's some
Yeah.
in there.
It's a nice open space.
It's
Yeah.
really pretty.
It really
It
is.
is.
It's so bright and open.
Wow.
This is tiny.
No. This is terrible.
It's very awkward.
We're
The
all going in
zigzag.
The zigzag is the
Zigzag
worst.
is awkward.
What you don't know about is the staircase behind that wall. It's a hidden staircase and it goes to nowhere. Open the door, check it out.
The hinges are rusted.
Oh my gosh.
This was an addition, right?
Right.
And so that probably was an exterior door that went up to the attic.
That's crazy. It does have some nice wood.
Yeah.
I did notice that.
We would annex that stairwell to be part of your kitchen. Paint out all of this brick, a light and bright color, and then rework these bookcases, maybe with cabinet doors on the bottom that are new, and then paint all of this paneling, and most importantly, cover up these floors with a luxury vinyl tile.
One thing on your list was a master suite
With a
with a bathtub. Let's go through this door and look. Can you imagine this being a big master suite?
What is it?
It's a master bathroom that's off the living room with no bedroom at all.
I don't even know how I feel about this.
They're asking $92,000 for it, but everything we're talking about doing here would come in at about 75 grand. So all in, 167,000 under budget. Have you made a decision?
I think so.
The Parsley House.
The Parsley House.
I could not get past the windows and the open, really big den.
We're finding tons of rot in here.
This is
No doubt.
so bad. It goes under the walls. So there's a rotten spot in the kitchen now.
More of
the
the
rot
same.
just, it keeps spreading.
The joist is right here. That's rotten.
Dang it.
But is it even under the wall? Is
No,
it?
it's on the back side of it. Seal plate is rotten all the way across.
So weird. So what is the wall even sitting on?
It's just floating.
Jeez. Wall between the kitchen and the dining room got to come down. We're gonna build a stud wall, support the ceiling, take the wall down, replace floor joists, then subfloors, then floors, then new wall.
What in the world is wrong with this house?
Hey, Michelle, what's up?
If anybody needs to deliver bad news, it's Santa Claus.
I'm over here at your house right now. It looks really good. However, when we pulled up the flooring in the kitchen and the living room, we found a lot of rot.
Okay.
Since we're not gonna be able to save floors, we're gonna have to install LVT vinyl flooring. It's gonna be really nice, you know, it'll be a nice cohesive look. All in on all the damage, it's gonna be about $4,650. So it's gonna be great when we're finished. The house is gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be safe.
We're gonna fix it, and it's gonna be fun.
This room is gonna be the bathroom / master. This wall's gotta come down. We're tearing a lot of walls out of Michelle's house. Today we're gonna take down the walls in what was a weird bathroom, converting 3 awkward rooms into one amazing master suite. The wall between the kitchen and the stairway to nowhere is also coming down. Gaining this little bit of room is gonna make a huge difference in here. I mean, 3 feet, all this old pine here. I wanna save as much as this as we can. We're ready for flooring. We're doing the LVT vinyl flooring. More durable than the wood flooring, and it's easy to clean.
This is solid vinyl. This floor covers a multitude of sins. It covers up an uneven floor.
On this house, the floors have been so chopped up, we honestly couldn't afford to level this floor up. Charlie's been doing this for 48 years, laying vinyl flooring.
So he is the man.
He's the man.
Tomorrow Michelle comes home, and the day before is when the house begins to feel like it's buzzing. It feels anticipatory, like something exciting is about to happen. The big changes we made were obviously changing all the color. Everything was on a yellow scale. We painted the body of it a deep, dark gray. Took the handrail off from in front of the front door.
That door, I just got chills.
That's your old front
It's
door.
gorgeous. It's beautiful.
It gave you new columns on the front porch that were less ornate. And the point was to really accent the windows because they're the most beautiful thing about the architecture of the house.
Oh my gosh. It is beautiful. I don't even know what to say. The
I
colors.
wanted everything we did in the house to give you that same feeling you have when you are in your favorite place, when you're by
Yes.
the sea. Lots of
I love
blues,
it. I
lots
love
of
the
sea
blues.
glass greens.
Yes.
So you'll see more of that as we go.
Smells so
It
much
smells
better in here.
So good.
I know.
The smell was,
Look at the floors. I haven't even noticed the
know.
floor.
there was rot right where you're standing was extremely dangerous.
Wow.
We took all that out, so it's all nice and solid, safe, and then we came over it with these, you know, new LVT floors.
I love the color. It is absolutely perfect.
Taking that staircase that was literally just wasted space and bringing it into the kitchen added so much to the kitchen.
Countertop space.
Counter space, we needed that.
It's beautiful. It is absolutely gorgeous.
Do you remember what it was
Yes. It was like a dungeon.
I can't even.
So this bookcase is the pine out of the staircase. Built this in the shop.
Wow.
You see how it's got that diamond shape on the end?
Yeah.
That matches those windows in the front.
Oh my gosh.
I love it. This was the funky bathroom.
This was the
weirdest
weirdest bathroom. I mean, we took weird bathroom and outdoor utility closet
And a huge laundry room.
and
Made a master suite.
yeah.
And it's perfect.
I built this headboard in the shop and it's got that pattern that matches the bookcase.
You built this,
Yeah.
man?
I learned how to do the rush.
Oh
yeah.
my gosh.
That's yours,
Oh
yeah.
my gosh. Look at this. This house is me.
Yeah.
It is. Everything in here is me.